Glute foam rolling. So with rolling out the glute here, the glute is your butt. So we're going to focus on one side at a time. So I'm going to do my right glute here. I've got the right leg so straight out in front of me, hand on the ground. Well, the roller's perpendicular to my body as I just roll back and forth here. And to get this glute, we're going to go all the way from that little crease of where it begins, just at the top of the hamstring there. And I'm going to roll all the way up and through the glute just before I get into my lower back there, right at the top of the pelvis there, and then back down through the glutes. So you can shift yourself around, back and forth. You can try to get different angles on it. So tilt your hips a little bit out to the side. Tilt your hips here to a little bit more up towards the ceiling. Get different parts. And then you can switch sides. Continue rolling on over to the other side. Just shifting back and forth. The key is you're trying to keep the muscle that you're rolling relaxed. So we're trying to keep this glute relaxed. So we're doing what we can not to try and push harder into the foam roller or really squeezing and activating or over-activating our glute there. Just trying to gently kind of pull and push my feet back and forth here using my hamstrings and my quad so that the glute's relaxed as I roll back and forth here. If you're new to this, it might just take some time to get used to how to relax these muscles. You just keep trying it, keep going at it. Over time, you will get used to it, and it will start to actually feel better. And this will feel nice to do. So this there is your straight glute roll.